Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm so excited to have you here today. As always, we're diving into a fascinating word to expand your English vocabulary. The word of the day is appetite. That's right, appetite is a C1 level noun that means the desire to eat, or more broadly, the desire for something. This is a word that comes in handy not just when talking about food, but in many other contexts too. Let's start with some synonyms for appetite. You might hear words like hunger, craving, or desire. For example, you could say, her hunger for adventure led her to travel the world, or he had a sudden craving for chocolate after dinner. These words emphasize a strong longing or need, whether it's for food or something else. On the flip side, let's look at a few antonyms. Words like indifference, disinterest, or aversion contrast with appetite. For instance, she showed complete indifference to the dessert menu, or his aversion to spicy food made it hard to choose a restaurant. Now, how do we use appetite in everyday life? You might say, I have a big appetite today. Let's order pizza. Beyond food, you could use it more figuratively. He has an appetite for learning and spends hours reading every evening. In this case, it means a strong desire for knowledge. Here are a couple more example sentences to help you see appetite in action. The rich aroma of the bakery awakened her appetite as she walked by. After working long hours, he developed an appetite for success that drove him to achieve his goals. These examples show the versatility of this word and how it fits into both literal and metaphorical contexts. To sum up, appetite means the desire to eat or for something more abstract. Synonyms like hunger and craving help express similar ideas, while antonyms like indifference and aversion highlight a lack of interest or desire. I hope this episode has helped you feel more confident using appetite in your own conversations. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Can you create a sentence using the word appetite? Share it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show and grow their English skills. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.